Hello, my name's Jason. I'm with Competitor Swim. Welcome to the world headquarters of Competitor Swim, the largest producer of racing swim lanes as well as pace clocks. Today, I'm going to talk about the 31-inch battery pace clock. This is a two-part series. The first part will be about the motor and installing the motor. The second part, which will be a separate video, will be about the hands of the clock. So let's get started. If you're watching this video, you probably had difficulty or you're replacing your 31-inch battery clock or you got a lot of time on your hands. Either way, we're glad to have you. There's four parts to the motor assembly. There's the 31-inch battery motor, which is a high torque C battery motor, the best that you can buy on the market. For your information, our product number on this is 200307000. The second part is a 31-inch battery motor rubber washer. The third part is the 31-inch battery motor washer that is brass. And the fourth and final part is the 31-inch battery motor hex nut. Once you have one of each of these parts, you're ready to install your motor. It's quite simple. Step one, take the motor rubber washer and insert it on top of the stem and place it all the way back. That will add as insulation between the motor and the housing. In the back of your clock, you can see there's an access panel. Simply, after putting the rubber washer on the clock housing, simply put the stem through the hole. As you can see from the front, that's what it looks like. Secondly, take the brass washer and place it over the stem. Thirdly, take the brass hex nut, place it on there, and tighten. You're fastening the 31-inch battery motor against the face of the clock. Tighten until snug, and for additional tightness, it's not necessary, it's not critical, but we suggest taking either wrench or pliers and doing one more 1/8 turn just to make sure that it's secure. In addition with the motor, and this is a finished product, but I wanted to show you the on-off switch. We do get calls when sometimes people complain that the button, the on-off switch, doesn't work. Most times it's because this copper contact, which connects the on-off button with the motor, is displaced. Sometimes it looks like that, where only a quarter of it is actually in contact with the battery. It's critical that 100% of this copper contact is placed on the negative part of the battery, insert it into the motor, and squeezed in. There might be a slight appearance of copper, but generally 90% of the copper should be not seen. As you can see now, the pace clock will work. For demonstration, we'll take this contact out. As you can see, the pace clock no longer will work. So now you're ready to install your 31-inch battery motor into your clock. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. That's why we're here, and we're happy to hear from our customers such as you. Have a great day, and watch the second installment of this series to learn about clock hands.